Hello guys, we use smartphone Nokia 2.3, this version 2GB RAM memory and 32GB internal memory. Start unpacking with completion. Device in the green color. On the back side double camera and LED. Plastic body. In completion we have key for SIM slot, micro USB cable and adapter for charging. That's all completion. Without headphones. Okay, and now talk about device. On the front side display 6.2-inch front camera, on the left side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, and video assistant, voice assistant key. On the right side power key and volume keys, upside headphone jack, downside micro USB port, speaker and microphone. Turn on device. Okay, device load. Open settings, look Android version. View Android. System. About phone Android 9. Model TA 1206. Okay, close this. Display IPS HD resolution. Open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. CPU MediaTek Helio A22. GPU PowerVia GA8300. Processor quad-core. CPU speed 2 GHz. Results. Test multi-touch. Device support 5 touches. Okay. Close this and open demanding game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas works on this device. Medium graphic level. Start game. On medium graphic level, game works good. Perfect, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this and now talk about camera. Camera in the device, front camera 5 megapixels, main camera 13 plus 2 megapixels, double camera. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye!